Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fully uninstall 360 total security app or antivirus from your window 11 or 10. So I will show you the step by step process or methods. So guys, let's start the video. First, which is simple method that all knows, that you can simply uninstall your program or software from your control panel. So come to the search. Okay, so we will start from this method only. Go to the control panel. Here make sure it is small icon or large icon. Okay, and here go to the programs and features. Here you need to find out that software name, which is 360 total security. I don't have that software. Okay, just select that software if you have, and that 360 total security softwares. Right click on it and just uninstall it. Okay, just click yes, then it will uninstall. After this step done, now we need to come in registry editor. Type here registry in search, registry editor. Just open it. Okay, and here in first HK current user, we need to go here, expand it, go to the software and find out that software name, which is 360 total security. Select, if you find that folder name, just right click on it and delete it. While you deleting, if you got any error from window that you need permission to delete it, so just go to the right click, go to the permissions and select your current user. Okay, and make sure this fully control and read has checked and just apply it. Now you can delete it. Now you can go this HK local machines. Same, you need to go on softwares and find out that software name. If you find that software name folder, right click on it and delete it. And here we have second folder, which is WOW6432 nodes. If you are using 32 byte software, then you need to go here also, expand it, find that software name. If you found, just right click and delete it. Okay, now last we need to get that HK user. Go to the defaults. Here go to the softwares and find out that software name. If you find out it, just right click on it and delete it. Okay, the same process you need to follow. Okay, now the next step you need to follow that. Okay, so now we need to go in your run. Okay, come to the run. Okay, and here you need to type app data and search for app data. Here you can see the all app data folders. Go to the roaming. Under the roaming, you need to find out that folder name or software folder name. If you find out, just right click on it and delete it. You need to delete from here also. Okay, now go to the my PC or this PC. Here you need to go and see where you have window installed. In my case, I have my window in C. I need to go and see. Here you will see the two program files, which is normal program files, and this is 86. Okay, so go to the program files here, find out that software name folders. If you find that software folder name, just delete it. And same, you need to go in program files, find out that software folder names and delete it. Okay, now we need to go in run again and search for temp and open it. And here in window temporary, this is temporary file. Okay, like cache, and you need to select all by clicking Ctrl plus A and you need to delete it. Okay, I don't have file because I have already deleted, so you can delete it. If you find this error or for that pop-up window, then just click do this all current item and skip it. Then 2-3 folder may be not deleted, but rest of will be 100% delete. Okay, now we need to go again in run. Now go to this percentage, type for temp, close percentage and open it. Now you will have all temporary file of your window app. Okay, user app, just select all. Same, you need to delete it. the same way you need to delete it. Okay, so now we have done. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.